With the wide range of machines, it is possible that there are some you haven't seen before. In today's Mighty Machines video, let's take a look at revolutionary machines and technologies you've probably never seen before. But before that, if you like similar videos, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever we post new videos. You can also recommend us to your friends so we can grow our community of people who love learning about heavy equipment, machines, and all sorts of stuff. Buckle up because we're about to witness some mind-blowing specs. John Deere 944K is known to be the most fuel-efficient machine in its size class. This revolutionary hybrid electric drivetrain can do relatively more tasks without having it to cost a lot of fuel. Its fuel efficiency is one of the biggest things it boasts about, but there's more to this machine. The 944K is a strong device that offers unique and programmable capabilities to increase productivity while lowering running expenses. The hybrid electric drive system, which includes traction control to reduce torque and avoid wheel spin, is one of its standout features and extends the lifespan of the tires. This means that tire life is now increased with this feature. For longer brake life, coast control lets the driver change how aggressively the vehicle accelerates. This functions by allowing the operator to adjust the traction control aggressiveness automatically. Additionally, the electric drive system offers high pushing force and ramp climbing capabilities, improving operator comfort in difficult terrain. Other advantages include rim pull control, which improves traction, and auto idle and shutdown, which lowers fuel usage. The hydraulic system's fastest cycle times allow for quick and smooth functioning of the boom and bucket functions, which ultimately leads to quicker loading times. A device called Aero snow melter is intended to melt snow and ice in parking lots, highways, and other surfaces. It swiftly melts snow and ice using a mix of heat and pressure, making removal safe and effective. The Aero snow melter can be used in conjunction with other snow removal tools like plows and blowers, and is normally mounted on a truck or trailer. It employs a burner to generate heat, which is then delivered to the snow and ice through a series of nozzles and jets. It is powered by diesel fuel. The Aero snow melter's ability to quickly melt vast amounts of snow and ice is one of its benefits. This makes it perfect for usage in regions with frequent, heavy snowfall, or where quick response times are needed to maintain the safety and clarity of roads and other surfaces. Overall, municipalities, transportation departments, and other organizations in charge of preserving public infrastructure and roads during the winter use the Aero snow melter extensively as a strong and efficient equipment for snow and ice removal. Up next, this is the John Deere 1050K dozer. This machine is specifically designed to assist in a wide range of construction and earth-moving applications. It has plenty of powerful and impressive features. For example, this is equipped with hydrostatic transmission, which enables a smooth and precise control over the machine's speed and direction. Its blades can also be customized or equipped with other options. Depending on what the project requires, the operator can choose between straight blades, semi-universal blades, and full universal blades. The operator does not need to worry about comfort too, because this machine is complete with air conditioning, heating, and an adjustable seat, ensuring operator comfort even during long shifts. It's also designed to accommodate maximum visibility thanks to its large windows, mirrors, and a rear-view camera, providing operators with a clear view of their surroundings. All of these features are tied together by the machine's Tier 4 final compliant engine that delivers up to 350 horsepower. Let's now move on to the Naran laser cleaning with 2,000 watts of power. This is a powerful laser cleaning system that will surely amaze you with its features. As the name suggests, this machine has an engine that can provide up to 2,000 watts of power. This makes it perfect even for very challenging and tough cleaning applications. But even with its intense power, it promises a non-abrasive and gentle way of cleaning so any damage can be avoided. Many operators prefer this as a tool because of its precise and versatile way of cleaning. It has a high degree of precision when it comes to cleaning, so you are assured that the surfaces will be free from any residue. You can also use this with a wide range of materials, including metal, concrete, plastic, and more. Even with its user-friendly interface where settings can be easily adjusted, it still requires a trained professional to operate it since it uses a Class 4 laser. The construction, mining, and forestry industries can use a variety of high-quality equipment attachments made by VTN Attachments. The Tree Shear attachment is one of their best-selling items. The VTN Tree Shear attachment is made to be put onto an excavator or other large piece of equipment and used to rapidly and effectively fell trees. There are many sizes of the Tree Shear attachment to fit trees of various shapes and sizes. It has hydraulic cylinders that offer cutting force and strength, enabling it to successfully chop through even the hardest of trees. Safety is another consideration in the design of the VTN Tree Shear attachment, which has a shield that helps stop flying debris during use. Furthermore, the attachment is constructed with premium materials that can resist the rigors of heavy use in hostile conditions. Overall, any forestry or logging enterprise seeking to boost productivity and efficiency should consider the VTN Tree Shear attachment as a dependable instrument. A tire retreading device made specifically for commercial and industrial vehicles, this is the Mondragon Ring Builder 3000. By putting fresh rubber tread on top of the worn-out tire casing, it's used to rebuild worn-out tires and restore their usability. The Ring Builder 3000 provides a precise and accurate manufacture of the tire using the most recent technology. The tire has an ideal build thanks to the automatic bead wire wrapping technology that makes sure the wire is distributed uniformly over the tire. In order to ensure that the new tread is fitted perfectly, the machine also incorporates an automatic measurement system that precisely measures the dimension of the old tire. The adaptability of the Mondragon Ring Builder 3000 is one of its main benefits. Small truck tires to huge industrial vehicle tires can all be retread using this machine. The Ring Builder 3000 is not only precise and adaptable, but also simple to use and low maintenance. It is made of high-quality components, making it a strong and dependable piece of machinery that can sustain continuous operation. Overall, the Mondragon Ring Builder 3000 is a technologically sophisticated, highly effective tire retreading piece of equipment that delivers dependable performance and excellent results. Zen Group, a business that specializes in producing precise bearings, created the Zen automatic bearing assembly technology. By automating the assembly of bearings, this method decreases human error and boosts productivity. With extreme precision and accuracy, the Zen automatic bearing assembly system automatically assembles bearings using a number of robots and sensors. The system is appropriate for usage in a variety of industries since it can handle a wide range of bearing sizes and kinds. The fact that this technology lowers the labor expenses involved in manual bearing installation is one of its main advantages. Additionally, it guarantees the assembled bearings' consistent quality and dependability, which is essential in applications where accuracy and dependability are key. The Zen automatic bearing assembly system, as a whole, represents a substantial development in the technology of bearing production and is likely to have a considerable effect on sectors that depend on precise bearings. You've seen the revolutionary machines and technologies you've probably never seen before. If you want to learn more about mighty machines and how they work, we also have a separate video on 10 of the world's fastest and strongest machines. Go ahead and be ready to be amazed. That ends our video for today. We hope you've learned a thing or two. If you did, please like this video and leave a comment in the comment section below. We'd love to hear your thoughts, suggestions, and reactions. If you want similar videos, do not forget to subscribe to us and click the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we post new videos. Until next time, bye!